Hi and welcome to another Python video. It's been a while since the last Python video, so I thought it was about time to create a new one. In today's video, we will learn about functions. Functions is an important topic in almost any programming language, and Python is no exception. Functions is a block of code that run only when it is called. Functions normally have a single purpose, like the print function, which takes in data, also called a parameter, and prints it to the terminal. They can also return something that you can use later in your code, like the input function that takes in input from the terminal. Before we continue, if you find my videos interesting and want to learn more about Python, serverless, and AWS, please consider subscribing to my channel and smash that bell icon to get notified when I publish more content. In this video, we will create our first Python function and I'll show you how to call the function. The function we will create should print a list of birds. To get started, make sure you have an empty Python file, as I have on the left-hand side here, and that you have opened your terminal and navigated to the folder where the file is located. Now we can start by writing a list of bird names in our Python file. Next, to the function. To define a function, you have to first use the def keyword. This means that you are defining a new function. Next, you should write the name of your function. This could be anything, but keep in mind that there are some restrictions. You should, for example, never use spaces or dashes in the function name. I'll call my function print_birds. Now we need a set of parentheses. In these, we can define function parameters, but that's a topic for another video. So I'll just leave them empty for now, and lastly add some colons. We have now completed the function definition. We just need to write some code inside it so that it actually does something. I'll just want to loop over the birds in the birds list and print hello and then the bird's name. To do that, I'll just write a for loop as we have done before and write a print statement. Okay, now we have completed the function, we can run this file in our terminal. Just write Python and then the file name. Well, that didn't work as we wanted. We got no output from the function. Oh, well, that's because we haven't called it. If you remember, a function will only run if you call it. So below the function, write the function name and two empty parentheses. By doing this, we are calling the function defined above. This is exactly the same as when we call other functions, such as print or input. Now run the file again, and now we got the output we expected. We have now learned how to write functions in Python, as well as how to run them. In the next video, we will learn more about function parameters and how to make our functions return something. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, happy coding!